at Snehidam, Golden Nest, Golden Nest, she had come and she explained. Then we, as Lakshmanji also asked, at home, how can you get the earthing? Earthing is very important. Earthing is very important because we are all, this Mother Earth is something which has given us everything, this mic, mobile, everything has come, even अपना खाना पीना सब अर्थिंग से होता है. आखिर में आपने को अर्थ में ही आपने को इमर्स होना है. This is a beautiful and magical one, and she is here not to sell any product. She is here to explain the advantages of earthing. We all experience by putting one foot down without shoes and one foot on the shoes. What she says that mats they come. वो मैट्स को मैंने पूछा है कि कैसा ये मैट्स होता है. वो मैट्स को एक कनेक्शन है, वायर है, वो इलेक्ट्रिकल प्लग में डाल देने का उसको. अगर लाइक शॉक वगैरह लगेगा, स्विच ऑफ द लाइट, स्विच ऑफ दैट प्लग, स्विच ऑफ द प्लग, लाइट बंद हो जाएगा, सिर्फ अर्थिंग चालू रहेगा उसमें, अर्थिंग चालू रहेगा. एंड दैट्स व्हाट दैट मैट कैन बी यूज्ड while sleeping, or even our children, those who are working on software, work from home, they continuously work for hours together, and if they can put their feet on that mat, the earthing can be, their health can be improved. Otherwise, by sitting and working at home, and the doctors, they say, after every 10 minutes you get up and go and walk and come back. So, this is what is required for the software engineers and housewives and हम लोगों के लिए, सीनियर्स के लिए, सबके लिए ये है. हम लोग बचपन में मेरे ख्याल से हम लोग चप्पल यूज़ करना 7th और 8th स्टैंडर्ड जाने के बाद भी चप्पल वगैरह मिलते थे हम लोगों को. तो इतना तब तक we were connected with that, so we were not that we could afford to buy. So all that we were working, and this is here she has got and she is supposed to be first earthing girl of India, because
that uncle has given the name Lakshman uncle.
Lakshman uncle comes in the morning and tells everybody uses, even Vaishali Desai is a good friend of her, and she says that she puts the mat for me and I can use it free of charge. She is not for any commercial activity. She wants to spread this message to everyone, saying that we should be benefited. I had put it up in the resident voice and other groups also, but 25 to 30 people were there. It's a good attendance, but we were expecting something more. And this is not a commercial activity. She is not promoting anything to buy. It is up to us, because if you want to use that earthing, घर में भी कर सकते हैं. And one of the best, I think, after attending her lecture, I used to come here. 7 months I did it where उधर shoes निकाल के रखता था. I used to walk right up to that corner. 15-20 minutes. If you walk and come and sit there, lot of difference was there. Lot of difference was there. And I see many people, they are doing. I think they have been motivated by ma'am. I think they are all they walk barefooted for half an hour, 1 hour also they do it. I think जहाँ भी आपके घर के पास में जो भी पार्क होगा या ग्रास होगा, what she says is that it should be little wet, so that connection will be more. And my younger brother had a Parkinson. I purchased that mat for him, and he is in Nasik, so he found a lot of improvement. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.